Meet Fairy, a small yet powerful pocket-sized drone that you can take anywhere you go. Thanks to its Fairy app, anyone can fly Fairy with ease. It allows you to take off and start taking photos with a single touch. The app comes with 3 flying options. Fly it by using the directional buttons, rotating dials, or even turn your phone into a motion sensing controller. Fairy's SLAM position technology uses optical flow sensors to hover steadily. Together with its 1080 HD resolution camera, Fairy is able to capture amazingly crisp videos and images. Fairy is built with a dual GPS system to accurately locate its exact position. It can return to its initial location with just a touch. What's more, Fairy can even auto-track the subject while recording. You can use controller to fly it too. With up to 16 minutes of recording time, capture your videos and photos more than any other pocket-sized drone has ever before. Portable and easy to use, let Fairy capture all your memories.